Guys, so welcome once more to my YouTube channel, and today's video I want to ask you guys three questions. Question one: have you ever edited photos and you're lacking lipstick popping? Second: have you ever gone on YouTube and searched for videos concerning how to pop out the lipsticks? And third, today I want to be showing you guys how to add realistic lipsticks using your Photoshop 2023 or any version of Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So I'll go to my Photoshop right now, and I just added realistic lipsticks to this model's lips, and this is the before and this is the after. So now I want to delete this layer. First of all, I want to copy this color code of this lipstick color. Okay, now I can delete the layer. So I want to go to my delete option here, click on my delete and click yes. So now first of all, I want to make a selection of just the lipsticks, or just the lips, sorry. I want to use my lasso tool, which is L on the keyboard, then use it to select around the lips. So after making selection of the lips, all you have to do is to feather it using a feather of 8 pixels, then click enter. Then next you're going to go to this icon here and click on solid color. Now, so you go to your solid color, Ctrl V to paste. Yeah, this is the color I'm looking for. So now you're going to go to your blend div and look for multiply. Then after that, you double click on the file, then wait for your blending option to show. Then go to this underline layer, drag this down a bit, then split it by holding Alt on the keyboard. I also leave the color hex code for you to copy and use as particles for your projects. Then click on OK. So now you can now reduce the opacity if the effect is too much. I think I leave my own at 48. 48 works best for me. So let's see our before and the after. This is the before, this is the after, this is the before, and this is the after. So that's all you need to know about creating realistic lipsticks on any model. You can actually change the color of this by double clicking on the layer and choose the color you want. If it is pink, it is blue, and all that. So I'll cancel it here. So that's all for today's class, and if you are new, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share this content to others who will also benefit from this. So till next time,